I do to make it go bad. Cause ever since my girl left me, my whole life came crash, 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 crash. And I'm so long, Mr. Long. I have nobody. After all I put you through, you still stuck around and stayed by my side. What really hurt me is I broke your heart. Baby, you were a good girl and I had no right. I really wanna make